This moment I have going short regarding the euro versus US dollar here. And what really caught my interest to go short is because this inside bar patterns here, we have the mother bar, which is also a very significant bearish pin bar with a long wick tail here on the upper side. And then we have a very slow movement, slow momentum on the upside. And those 3 days is very important to analyze here because this is a bull trap, a fakie on the upside from this inside bar pattern. It went up and then it closes below. So this is a bull trap. A good reason to go short here. Secondly, this important inside bar pattern, price action strategy, also is in align with this supply level at 1.0935. And I can show you here in the past that this level meets this value zone, which means that we can see in the past here that we have a rejection here. The price hit this and then went down. So there's a rejection here. And here we have a support where the price went up. So this is a important level. And this inside bar pattern, this false break is at this very important level here. Secondly, we have a slow momentum. When I analyze this uptrend, you can see here, for instance, if I do like this, that this is the first move. If I link these tops, very rapid up move, a strong momentum, then we can see that the momentum gets weaker. So you can see here, the angle goes down. And then if I connect next one from this top to here, so we can see this line here is sloping. I will look forward to see how much this drop will be. I can see it's very convenient to use this yellow 100 exponential moving average, this yellow one here, because it should drop to this level or slightly above at this level at 1.0518 here. The first take profit level is at this level here. This is the first take profit level at 1.06850, slightly above this 50 EMA here. So the price, so here it's the first take profit level. And this is the second. Okay, I will most likely do a follow-up video because it's important to show what I'm talking about, if it's really accurate or not. So we can see if my analysis here is correct, that we have a trend reversal or at least a drop where we can make a good money going short. Okay, thanks. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. You will not regret that. I've been a senior hedge fund manager with a career in the States and Europe for 15 years. And I provide this material for you for free because I want to share my knowledge and skills and experience. And you can also read my text that follows to this video, that I am also selling trading signals. It's extremely cheap. It's a limited offer. It only costs you 42 US dollar monthly, and you will get advices on daily basis. And my return on investments, my profits each year is about between 80% and 120%. That is extremely top class. So for that price, you will earn it for your first day in trading or the first trade. So it's almost free. Bye. Take care.